global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings Today YouTube channel. A lot happened in the north some few hours ago, where Peter Obi was seen paying homages to northern elders and of course their monarchs, but some specific people were affected, targeted. LP in Katsina and Igbo traders, of course, in Kano. And some of the Igbo groups are really fuming over the bringing down, killing of two prominent Igbo traders, businessmen in the state, and it's getting worrisome. But before going to the newspaper to find out really what happened, what transpired, and what the Igbo groups are insisting must be done, and hopeful that Peter Obi will be secured, would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the right subscribe button. Beside it, you see bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update our channel on YouTube. Let's see what happened in Kano, then look at what happened in Katsina. The Coalition of Southeast Youth Leaders, COSEL, that's C-O-S-E-Y-L, has expressed dismay over the alleged assassination of two young Igbo traders in Sabongari area of Kano State. Report had earlier emerged that UGM on Saturday night brought down one Ifeanyi Elechukwu, aged 41, and his friend Chibueli Emmanuel, aged 33, around Azubros Plaza off France Road, Sabongari. The Islamic State West African Province, ISWAP, had in a statement said the unfortunate attack was carried out by soldiers of the Caliphate. However, COSEL, that's COSEYL, in a statement on Monday by its President General, Goodluck Ibem, alleged that there was foul play in the death of the two young men, stressing that the report has a political undertone. The group demanded an independent investigation to unravel the perpetrators of the act and why the victims were assassinated. The statement claimed that the incident occurred a few hours after the Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi visited the state. It is on record that Mr. Peter Obi was in Kano and over the weekend to make some consultation about his presidential ambition, where he met with Emir of Kano to solicit for their support, and two Igbo traders were killed by 8:50 p.m. on the same Saturday Peter Obi was in Kano. Ifeanyi Chibuike and other Igbo traders have been doing their legitimate businesses in Kano for so many years now. Why would these two young men be suddenly assassinated just the same time Peter Obi came to Kano for political consultation? We will call on the Inspector General of Police, IGP Usman Baba, the Governor of Kano State, Alhaji Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, to unravel the true killers of those innocent traders, the statement added. In another news, of course, in Katsina, still on the same issue of Peter Obi's visit, OBIedients had this to say. The Labour Party has described Monday's attack on supporters of the party and its presidential candidate Peter Obi in Katsina as an open declaration of war by the ruling All Progressive Congress APC on the fast emerging political party, Labour Party. It was reported that members of the Peter Obi support group, that's OBIedients, were attacked by the police as they set for a peaceful rally in the state. Labour Party, in a statement issued by its National Publicity Secretary, Comrade Ayomi Arambambi, slammed the Nigerian police for what he described as a mercilessly coordinated assault and attack by the military wing of the All Progressive Congress APC Katsina State Chapter on the peace-loving, obedient political movement supporters of Peter Obi. The party also called for the immediate redeployment of the Commissioner of Police in Katsina State following his alleged inability to call his boys to order as they attacked the party's supporters in a peaceful rally. It is fast getting very much clearer that the APC has officially adopted violent attacks on Labour Party's presidential candidate support group across the state of the nation, Labour Party finds this trend quite unacceptable and condemned the growing terrorism of APC or Progressive Congress in some APC controlled states in the country. Once again, Labour Party has to re-emphasize the fact that no one political party has a monopoly of crude and organized violence. It is an irony that a sitting governor who has earlier so pompously claimed that Peter Obi is not known beyond the southeast has been caught up by retributive justice to be frustrated into violence by the sheer strong, heavy and frightening huge crowd of loyal, willing supporters of Peter Obi right in the center of his self-deluded political safe zone. One simply hopes that the security agencies will not continue to appear helpless as the chain of planned and choreographed violence is visited relentlessly on the Labour Party presidential support groups all over the states under APC in the country. Arambambi stated further that with the ongoing level of insecurity to properties and lives of the people in Katsina as a result of banditry, mass killings, very rampant and audacious cases of kidnapping, it is quite disheartening that rather than try to confront this large-scale terrors, the government of the state chose to ignore insurgency only to get busy in using weapons of destruction against the harmless and peaceful obedient supporters. The Labour Party, which described the APC-led federal and state government as cancers in the seat of governance everywhere they are ruling, regretted that in Katsina State at the moment, for a citizen to travel from one town or village to another is a matter of life and death because of danger posed by terrorists who appear to have tactical cover and support from the APC administration. The party cautioned that APC has chosen to, from this early show, its intentions to grow political violence in the country ahead of the 2023 elections. Labour Party is here and now putting it on record that there is fast approaching a time when Labour Party will not be able to control the anger of its loyal supporters who are always the direct victims of APC organized violence. Though it may be unbearable for the dying and decaying APC not to be too much receptive of the current political reality that Peter Obi and Dati has fully become a political tsunami in view of the fact that their presidential candidacy is now fully supported by over 33 million registered voters, a figure that daily increases, which can become, or before the next election across the country, the figure of about 60 million supporters. Of course, Nigerians have reacted to these. I could still remember in a Boeing 2, and the people also got really vexed over the hanky-panky that was played over the Shore Stadium and police chasing them with tear gas, canisters and all that. And it looks like Labour Party supporters are beginning to feel the venom of some of the APC controlled state ahead of the ICAP being proper. We just hope that it doesn't degenerate totally to violence. That's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take?